Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have finally cut my watermelon that I got from the Watermelon Man, Your Watermelon Drop on Facebook, Dean Parker, when I was down in Highland Park, Michigan, Avalon Village. And I'm just now getting around to cutting it. And so Tima, my girlfriend Tima and I bought from Cory, another southerner that was there selling watermelon zip. So doggone delicious. He sold his for $6 a container. I have made watermelon zip. And what that secret recipe was, you just grind up the whole watermelon seeds and all. Okay? So the first half of the watermelon, I got seven containers, pint-sized containers. Woo! And just a little bit in this other one. Almost dropped it, y'all. So, in that other bowl, it was a little bit less than this. So I'm gonna get started with this and drop. I have to have a high-powered blender, so he says. Drop this watermelon in here and do this second half. After I get through, I will be freezing these and pulling them out to drink them. So let's fill this up. Hold on. Can you see? Take it up just a little bit. And in the background that you hear, I am watching the Crafty Brick, or listening to her and watching her. So let's fill this up as best I can with all the seeds. And you know I saved some seeds, so all the seeds ain't going in here because we're going to plant these next year. So like all those seeds sitting on that, I'm going to drop them over here on my paper towel. We're not blending them all up, that's for sure. But most of them, yes. Now I'll turn this blender on. It gets loud. All right, let me rinse my hands. Put this top on. And I got these containers. I think I got 50 in a package from Gordon Food. We have a Gordon Food here that sells, yeah. And then you have to buy the top separately. 50 of those. And I got them for my cashew crack, my cashew brittle. So I can use them for other things as well. Like this. All right, let's get it started. Okay, that gives me room to put more in here. And I should break the pieces up a little bit anyway if they're huge. There's a lot of seeds in this watermelon. A lot. And he had a contest down there where they were kicking watermelons. They were kicking the seedless watermelons, trying to get rid of those. I didn't get to participate because it rained. But anywho, this is mine. And I've been eating this watermelon all along. Don't think I haven't tasted it. It is sweet and delicious. Thank you, Dean. Watermelon Man, Your Watermelon Drop. I don't know if they're still here in town. I don't know. They're supposed to be here for another week or two. Selling watermelons. I gotta rinse my hands. Okay. I might want to put an order in with them. You have to pay $10 for delivery, but you know what? I want some more. I'm down to my last 4 muscadine grapes. I have been savoring these. I only have 4 left, and I'm going to eat them today. Okay, I'm babbling. Let me fill this up. That's pretty good. And let's blend this up. You want to get all those seeds grinded really well. I can see them. But I'm going to put you on pause so you don't have to listen to this. And I'm going to let it grind for about 2 minutes. So hold on and I'll be back. Okay, I don't see big seeds. The seeds look little. They look blended up. So let's pour this into the containers. Oh, there's one seed right up here at the top. I'm going to take that one out. It's on the lip here. Take that one out and save it. Okay. Let me set some of these up. 2, 3. How much you think I get out of here? Probably 6. We'll see. No. 4. 4 or 5. Oh. And I fill them up and leave about a 1/2 inch at the top, you know, because it's going to expand in the freezer. A little bit more. That's Crafty Brick asking me what I'm working on. Let me respond. I am making watermelon zip.
I think some people always watch from the bushes.
They're not gonna know what that is. She is not gonna know what watermelon zip is.
Let's see. I still made you my 5.
Okay, 4. Oh. I forgot I had this one. Let me fill this up.
I mean, see what you think when you hear my, what happened. I used it for 4 weeks. And
Okay. I'll put a little bit more in this one.
So there are some things that you want to be aware
Put the tops on.
of. You do that. Watermelon zip. What is watermelon zip?
She said, what is watermelon zip?
Intrigued.
She's intrigued. That is the word. Passionately intrigued arts. I intrigued her. That is too funny. I will have to let her know what watermelon zip is in just a moment. Okay. What do I tell her? It's a Southern Delicacy where they blend watermelon with the seeds and freeze it. I guess that's the description. So how many I got? I got 5 out of this.
When you guys are working, do you listen to music or do you usually work in quiet?
I listen to music when I'm not recording. Sometimes I have it on when I'm recording. Okay, I'm talking to her as if she's in the room. So, how many do we have so far? 3, 7, 10, 12. Woo! And we got this much more to go. That is nice from one large watermelon. Okay, let's fill this up.
I like to just tune things out. TV in the background, okay? And to be honest, I don't watch TV for real. And sometimes Scott and I will watch a show, but if we aren't watching TV, then I never have the TV on. I just don't really, I don't know. I used to watch TV a lot. When the kids were younger, I feel like I watched TV a lot. I used to watch a lot of junk.
I wonder if all this will get in here. After I blend some, it will.
But I find that more often now, I'm either working or I read.
I don't have much left in here. It might all get in here. Yeah. One more big chunk.
Music and iPad. Okay, TV in the background. All right. That
Okay.
seems to be a pretty common.
Yeah, look at that. Let me rinse my hands. And should I pour this juice in there or keep these seeds? What should I do? Let me show you. Let me get the last little pieces of watermelon out of here. I think I might keep these seeds. Y'all see that? Y'all can't see it. There's some seeds in there. Yeah. I'll try to pour the juice in here. And keep the seeds. I'm going to try. Yeah, there we go. All right, we're keeping those.
I never do vertical.
Rinse your hands again.
Here on YouTube, I thought I would try it out today.
You turn this blender on, and then I'm going to put you on pause so you don't have to listen to it.
That's why I got my computer over here. So
Okay.
I can see, but I don't know why.
Pause it. Okay, good people, let's turn this off. Turn it off. Oh, that noise. Gracious goodness.
So I don't know. Craft time with Courtney, Crafty, and
Let's see how many more we get.
see what you guys are saying. Jess saying crafting. Courtney's crafting adventure.
Spread these out.
Courtney's crafting adventure. Join me for Courtney's crafting adventure this week.
3, 4, probably 5, maybe.
Because I feel like it is an adventure. I
So
think
let's
most of you in
see.
here have seen Craft Tuesday, but if you haven't, basically I make something, and usually it's something I have not ever made. So it's brand new and it's live. So we just never know how to
Save some room for
Sometimes
freezing.
it really goes great, and sometimes it does not. Sometimes it does not. It's a hot mess, and it's an adventure.
That's 2.
Crafting adventure. I like that. Watermelon dip is a Southern Delicacy. Blend the entire watermelon with seeds. Place some containers in freezer, and like to have at your leisure.
Okay.
Wait a second.
That's 3. That's it. This is not going to be enough for nothing, so I'm going to drink this, is what I'm going to
So
do.
it's more like a drink, or is it going to be like a slushy? I mean, like, it's a liquid, or it's like a thicker type? It sounds thicker. That
Thicker.
is very interesting. I've never heard of that. Watermelon zip.
Pour that in there. Oh, yeah.
Especially when Christiana and Christy get involved. I'm telling you. Courtney, try this. Try this. Yeah, we just never
Let's
know.
see. Let's see.
We just never know. So.
Can I get that in there? Let me drink some.
And I kind of like that.
It's so good, but when it is cold or slushy, it is delicious.
That sounds.
Okay. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator and have that later.
Crafty adventure time.
Let's put the tops on these.
I like it. No apologies necessary, D. I thought it was a great thing. I think it's great.
And see how many we got out of that one large watermelon.
Is it a slushy? Or is it like a drink?
I'm going to tell you in a minute, Crafty Britt. Give me a minute. Just what it is.
Watermelon juice.
It can be a watermelon juice, a slushy, whatever you want it to be.
You can even add alcohol, like tequila.
Okay. We got 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15 from one watermelon. 15 and this glass. Now, if I order muscadine grapes, I might order another watermelon. Because if he's going to drop something off for a $10 charge, I might as well get another watermelon, right? We're going to see. And they had some yellow grapes, too. I wonder if those are muscadines. Are there 2 different versions of muscadines? There were some greenish yellow ones. I'll have to ask. But anywho, I am done. I am going to label these and take them downstairs and put them in my freezer. How about that? I've got watermelon zip. Mr. Dean Parker, let Cory know, okay? Let him know I followed his recipe. Thank you so much. I am babbling, as always. And hit the like button. Blend your watermelon up with the seeds and drink it. Buy only watermelon with seeds. Kick the seedless ones, okay? And toodles, I am out. Deuces.
Can you just imagine the uses of this brilliant idea? Picnics, barbecue functions, birthday parties, any kind of party, holiday functions, and or even used in smaller containers like an 8-ounce or 4-ounce. The possibilities are unlimited. Thank you, Tima, Dean, and Cory for the experience. Thank you so much.